In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order a Wise debit card with this easy step-by-step guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to request either a digital or a physical card and start enjoying the benefits of your Wise account. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to ensure is that you are signed up and have verified your Wise multi-currency account. This step is crucial because only verified accounts can proceed with ordering a debit card. If you haven't completed this yet, head over to the Wise website or mobile app and follow the prompts to verify your account. Once your account is verified, the next step is to top up any balance to activate your account. This part is essential because it sets your account in motion, allowing you to access all the features, including ordering your debit card. A modest amount will do, and you can easily transfer funds from your bank or another account set up with Wise. With your account active and ready, the next destination is the Card tab, which you can find in both the app and on the website. This is where you will find all options related to Wise debit cards. In this section, you'll be prompted to choose between a digital card or a physical card. Now here are a few things to consider. If you're eager to make purchases online or want to integrate your card with your mobile wallet instantly, the digital card is a cost-free and immediate option. On the other hand, if you prefer having an actual card in your wallet for in-person transactions, you can opt for the physical card, which involves a one-time fee of around P370, £7,000 or US $9 depending on your currency. After you make your selection, you'll need to enter your address and pay the applicable card fee if you've chosen the physical card. This step is important to ensure that your card is delivered accurately and promptly. Be sure to double check that your address details are correctly entered to avoid any delivery mishaps. If you've ordered the physical card, expect it to arrive in approximately 5 to 21 business days, depending on your geographical location. Delivery times can vary, so keep an eye on your mailbox and don't worry if it takes a bit longer. For those who opted for the virtual card, you're in luck, your card is ready to use immediately. You can start making online purchases and add it to your mobile wallet right away, giving you instant access to the convenience of digital payments. And there you have it, you've successfully ordered your Wise debit card, and you are ready to enjoy the seamless currency management and convenient payment options that Wise offers. Whether you've chosen the digital or physical card, you're now set to explore and utilize the full potential of your Wise account. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spending!